Today we are in Georgia. My top 3. Welcome back, my beautiful people, to another YouTube video of mine. Today we are in Georgia, beautiful Georgia. Honestly, the roads are terrible. The roads are really bad. I don't know how I would have survived with my car. Luckily I didn't bring my car today to this big car show. We brought the Tesla, so I didn't have to stress today. But look at the entrance to this car show.
It's terrible. Oh my god, right here you can see it.
We missed out on the people entering because they're already downstairs, so hopefully we could get some coming out. So let's go inside. Look at that entrance. Sheesh, imagine my cord getting through that. I would have gotten stuck, broken the car in half. Wow, so after that entrance, we got this entrance right here. Yeah, had I brought my car, I would have parked right there by the entrance. It's the scratches for me. Oh yeah, this. First initial reaction, I think the only thing it's missing so far is music. Some music would be hard. Your music. You should bring the Tesla down here and like play with the bass. That would like reflect here.
So bad. You said there was no music here. Now look. Jumping over there.
This is my section.
Yeah. No, this is clean as hell though. This is so fire.
It's a lot cooler in here. I like this spot. I think we're gonna stay here for the rest of the show.
The music.
The music, I think I need the aux. Let me go get it.
It looks lit over there. If only.
If only what?
Say it.
What? If only what?
Your car was down here.
Oh, it is. It's right here.
Oh.
It's right here.
Are you gonna Photoshop it?
No, it's right there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is exactly why.
All I need is your love tonight.
How does it feel to be at the club for your first time?
I'm literally at the club.
How does it feel to be here for your first time?
Feels good. Yes. It's literally just turned into a club. It's not even a car show anymore.
Stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cooker, hey.
I feel like to fit these wheels for my Accord, I'd probably have to like bend my fender, customize something more. These are pretty fire. This is the car we're gonna get when we get kids, or when we have kids. I thought this was some kind of like fuel cell. Look. I thought he had it like wired to the...
Imagine?
I thought
what
he had
the
it wired
fuck?
to the headliner, going to the trunk.
I didn't even peep that. What the fuck?
I saw it from afar over there. I'm like, let me get closer. This color right here, that's a fire color. I don't even know what color that is. Like olive, light green. I should have done that.
Nah, that color is tough.
With chrome. That's
Yeah.
That's combo right there. And the black roof and like black tint. Let's go rewrap my car.
He doesn't have a black roof.
I know, but me. Like,
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's still fire though. Don't you have those wheels?
Yeah, mine are just weak spec.
Oh my god.
His are big spec.
I really wish the owners were like standing next to their cars so I can ask them questions. Imagine like if everyone was just sitting next to their cars.
So, yo, it's okay. So, my girl, she a model. She was asking, well, she got a photographer for with her.
She wants to model my car?
Yeah.
You gotta go through her.
That's what I'm saying.
No, that's fine. That's fine. She could go ahead, take pictures. I don't mind it. Yeah.
Holy sh**.
Wow, that's crazy. W so poor.
Thank you. You sure you want me to sign it?
Yeah, it's from my sister.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Where do you want me to sign it?
Anyway.
Okay, I'll do that.
All my life, they be trying to keep me down.
Did you practice your signature?
Definitely not.
Motion, 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 motion.
Oh, okay.
What the hell? Oh my god.
The music is crazy.
Inspired by you, you feel me? Inspired by you, nigga.
The same things I got.
Yeah. You can get in if you want, bro. The door's closed by itself.
What?
All the windows are bulletproof.
I think his is louder than yours.
Oh no, it's close.
I'm definitely getting like heat poison out here. It's like 104, probably even more. But right now we're just walking around on the outside and there's a parking garage here. We're just gonna see if there's any more cars. Told you guys we'd find some treasures in here in the parking lot. Me, I would probably be in here. Fam, I lied, there wasn't much there. We're about to go back to the show, see if we can catch some more. This is the outside view. So they got the outside view and then the underground. Static, it's rubbing.
Hold on, stop.
Mobs.
Hold on.
Rollers, oh my gosh, rollers.
Oh shit, it's red. That's crazy. That's a bag too. I don't even need 1 foot.
I can't.
Yeah.
We're gonna be taking rollers like this.
No, we not. We about to go downtown.
Oh, well, if whoever we spot, go ahead. Show you guys around Georgia real quick.
Ooh.
Oof. A tour by Tay and Steph. I did not approve of this. I did not authorize this.
Yeah, I didn't even see
Watch
that.
the potholes. Oh gosh, Dante. No one's on this side of town.
Oh, this is really Atlanta. Oh, what the fuck? You see what they're breaking?
Spotted.
Oh my god,
Back
it's uphill.
This is where the battery dies. This is full speed?
Yes.
Walking around, gonna give my final looks before I give you guys my top 3.
Game in trouble. Started out small, ain't paying me double. Yeah, you can drip chip, baby, like mustard. Yeah. You better not trust them. Rotate them, all these hoes on top. Money thing got a whole M in a duffel. Bitch got a nurse, they showing like rubber. I know she be fucking my brother. Bitch, I ain't going out like no sucker. Yeah. West Coast smoking on Russian. Yeah. Cartier watch it busted. Yeah. I done ran up a whole lot. Yeah. I don't want to twat this top. Yeah. Going up a whole nother notch. Yeah. Can't be stuck in one slot. Yeah. Levels, Rolls Royce, L's on the wheel, wave hello. Yeah. Bitch probably mad, ain't deado. La la la, I'm not Carmelo. Word to the op, they gon' drop, better lay low. Nah, I'm just playing, they can come out. Running up the money, I ain't never tryna run out. Yeah, police get behind me, I'ma burn out. Man, how you get it before it even come out? Cash, how you make $1 million in a drop? Bad, track how geeked up fast. My mama don't like it, she ain't got no swag. Gon' stay with my mama, I've been in my.
No, is she? Oh shit, she coming straight up. Oh shit!
Not all heroes wear capes.
Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Yeah!
That is going to conclude today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Georgia was definitely a vibe. I loved it. I loved the people. It was just the streets. I don't know how you guys do it if you live out there with a stance low car, with the roads being terrible, but other than that, the vibes, you guys were amazing out there. You guys showed so much love. Comment down below which car was your favorite. I know towards the end it got crazy. That's when we saw all the cars leave and get out. Half of it was bagged, as you guys saw, like they were aired out, and a lot of the cars that were in the show, I didn't know they were bagged until they came out. And it's okay, we support bags too. We support everything. We support your creativity, your car, whatever you got going on, we support it. It was definitely fun going out there and being out there, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you guys subscribe for more and put the post notifications on so you guys don't miss out on my next one. With that being said, stay blessed and stay safe.